Hey everybody, Jake here from Vetta Pontoons, and today I'm super excited. Behind me is the beautiful Elegans QLS. Let's go do a full on-water walkthrough and check this boat out. Climbing aboard this Elegans, before we start on the inside, take a look at that beautiful exterior. We have that fully blacked out look, especially accenting with those beautiful smoked chrome LED running lights. And actually, a nice thing is you have your navigation lights built right into the sidewalls as well. So you have everything right up at the front, and then pulling that whole look together of this boat is that blacked out EX wake tower. It is full wakeboard ready if you want to do some water sports, anything right off the top of that. So really nice exterior. Now diving into the interior now, we have this really nice white cognac and that charcoal accents really pulling the look of this interior together. Now, these two main loungers here up at the front, again, full storage throughout both of these, tons of room here. They are fully vented units too, so if you do have some wet things or anything in there, don't worry about that, it's able to breathe. We have the full Duraweave flooring throughout this entire boat. Very comfortable to walk on, easy to clean, great feature. Now, below these two loungers, you have 2 out of your 6 speakers on this boat. Yes, there's 6 speakers throughout the entire unit because it does have that high performance sound package. This thing has 6 speakers, a full 6-channel amp system, and this massive subwoofer we're gonna get to in a second here. Right behind this front portside lounger, you have your full pop-up changeroom. Before we get to our console, check out this high back captain's chair. Matching that interior color with those 3 different accenting colors. Very comfortable, full reclining captain's chair as well with the dual armrests. We do have that full 360 swivel along with the seat slider. So really can find that comfortable position no matter who is driving this boat. Pairing really nicely with that is the full tilt steering helm coming standard on this boat as well, along with that hydraulic electric steering, making this thing very easy to handle. Now we'll kind of work our way through this. There's a lot here, so we'll try and cover it all. We have our DTS, full DTS digital throttle system here for our shifting. Very easy to use, very touchy. We have our push button start on and off. We have our active trim built right into this thing, and then your trim, everything right here. Moving up here, we have our wireless phone charger just in this little cubby here, along with a USB attachments as well if you wanted to. Our easy access to our ignition just to the left of that. And now moving up to the main screens of this dual command center. We have 2 Simrad NSX units, one on the right being your 9 NSX, and then the one in the middle is the 12-inch screen. These are your command centers for this boat. It controls everything. You can get your engine data, charting, depth, sonar, speed, temperature, whatever you need on here. Plus, it controls everything throughout the boat. Your lighting, your top, your music, whatever you kind of need, it can do it all. Now, moving to the left here is your stereo now for that Fusion sound package. Very easy access to it, and then we just have a few buttons below. Nice features to control that full top right here if I wanted to put it down or up. My lighting, turning it on and off, and then my horn here on the left. And now let's check out the rest of the boat. Now, checking out the rest of the boat here, I just want to point out this massive in-floor storage. It's actually built right into that center pontoon, goes quite a ways back. So if you wanted somewhere to tuck away your wakeboard, skis, anything like that, keeping that out of the boat itself. Now, moving to the back of the boat here, just behind that secondary captain's chair is the 2 massive rear loungers on this boat. Nice little feature right in the center here is that full large size table here with 4 cup holders. If you don't want to enjoy a snack or a drink out here, pop that in right into the base. And if you're not using it, you can actually remove that completely, tuck it away into one of the 4 compartments at the back here. Tons of room, tons of storage throughout this boat. And now we're on to where the boat gets its name. This is the QLS, which stands for Quad Lounge Switch. By just hitting this little button here, we can now go from a forward-facing lounger to a full rear-facing lounger. actually, in my opinion, the best spot on the boat here when you are doing some water sports. Great spot for a spotter. Keep an eye out the back. Take advantage of that wake tower or the full ski and wakeboard tower that comes standard on this as well. Have 2 people sitting back here. And then last but not least, we can't forget about that easy step lily pad boarding ladder. When you're putting it down, very, very easy to do. And it actually is angled out towards the water, making it a lot easier to get back into the boat. And when you're all done with it, you just pull it right back up nice and easy and it locks into place. Thanks for checking out the Elegans QLS. If you wanted more information about this boat, make sure to check out vettapontoons.com to see this boat and explore the entire Vetta lineup. Thanks for watching.